of the murder trial of Kaitlin Armstrong is just wrapping up, and we are learning some grisly details of that murder scene.
Armstrong is accused of killing pro cyclist Anna Moriah Wilson in May of 2022. Wilson was in town from California for a race at that time. Shortly after police found her body inside a friend's home in East Austin, Armstrong flew out of Austin, ultimately making her way to Costa Rica, where U.S. Marshals captured her about a month and a half later. KXAN's Brianna Hollis just stepped out of the courtroom for us tonight. Brianna, who testified today?
So today we heard from police, crime scene analysts, and people who lived near the home where Wilson was found dead. A reminder, we can't record testimony, but there was a lot to see in the courtroom today, so I'm going to walk you through a little bit of it. We saw a lot of doorbell camera video from the night of the murder, and one doorbell camera video in particular, we saw a black Jeep drive through the neighborhood around 8:30. That Jeep, prosecutors have previously said, belongs to Kaitlin Armstrong, and at 9:15, those grisly details you guys mentioned, we could hear screams followed by gunshots. And when the defense cross-examined the person who owned that video, they did ask him if he had ever seen Kaitlin Armstrong in person or on his surveillance video, and he said he had not.
And Brianna, right now, let's see, you've been in the courtroom with the victims as well as the suspects' families. What have you observed while you've been in there all day?
So we've seen a lot of gruesome material over the past couple of days. I just mentioned that doorbell camera video. Wilson's mother, father, and brother were not inside the courtroom as we viewed that, but her friend Caitlin Cash, the one she was staying with at the time, she did sit through that and her head was down during that part of the testimony today. I'm going to show you some video now of Wilson's loved ones in the lobby. Here you can see Caitlin Cash and Wilson's father hugging. Again, the family has been in and out of the courtroom throughout this trial so far. Cash testified yesterday, very emotional. They played her 911 call from the scene. She did cry on the stand, a really emotional moment there. And there were also some crime scene photos displayed today, and some of Wilson's family and friends did stay in for that, but their heads were down as well. Now, as for Armstrong, her family has remained in the courtroom the entire time. Armstrong has been pretty stoic, looking forward most of the time, except for one point today where she did start taking notes when a key piece of evidence was brought out. We'll go over that tonight at 6. Britt, Jen.
Bree, thank you so much for being our